Hello guys, again for another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. So today I'm going to show you the new changes in Alpha Build 13. So let's name our world build 13. Oh, as you can see guys, the weapons has been added again. The diamond, gold, stone, and wooden. They bring it back again. Let's see if something is added. I think that's it. There's nothing new, and they only fix bugs and add the weapons again. So hope you enjoy my video and subscribe my channel for more Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Peace.